Math Made Simple by Ms. Umaira. I'm going to show the easiest way to understand algebra. As kids we have solved questions like this where there were empty boxes or blanks were given for answers. As we grow up, instead of using boxes or blanks we use letters. It's not scary, it's just a way of writing numbers we don't know yet. X plus 5 equals 9. It simply means, what number should I add 5 to get 9? And you already know the answer. It's 4. For any unknown numbers we use the letters X, Y or A, B, C, etc. How do we solve it? Move plus 5 to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 5. Subtract 5 from 9, that is 4. Now let's see a quick trick for simple equations. Whenever you move a number across the equal sign, its sign changes. Equal sign is like a magic door, whatever passes through it, changes. Plus sign to minus and minus to plus. Multiplication to division and division to multiplication. Isn't it like a game? Remember your move. This is an interesting game. It's just like switching sides in a game. Everything becomes the opposite. Imagine you're at a shop. You buy a notebook and a pen for 100 rupees. The pen costs 40. How much is the notebook? Instead of writing notebook you can write Y. Plus sign will change to minus when we take 40 to the other side of is equals to sign. Solve this. You can do it. How did we get 17? Because if you move minus 7 to the other side, it becomes plus 7. This was easy. If there's any math concept you want to understand, drop it in the comments. I'll be happy to reply.